Looking for an easy access surveillance camera? But before that, kindly hit that buttons below, like and subscribe, as well as your comments is highly appreciated. This is ANNKE WB300 with 3 megapixel resolution and a wireless outdoor solar battery security camera. Then scan this QR code to download this Vico Home app and can capture a 2K HD video resolution. Watch till the end as I show to you a sample footage of this device. For better video footage, this can capture almost 360 degrees viewing angles. This WB300 offers a lot of interesting features like 2K HD resolution, 24/7 on-duty, 100% wire-free with AI detection events, two-way audio functionality, and with IP65 rating. Inside the box is this surveillance sticker sign and the user manual. The app can be downloaded either scanning the QR code printed on the user manual or printed on the box. This ANNKE WB300 has 2 ways of source of power, either direct connection from the power supply or through solar source energy. And because of that, a solar panel is included. Though it uses the old type of micro USB, which isn't commonly used most of the gadgets nowadays, but on the other sides of this, the cable is 3 meters long, enough to find the right spot to capture sunlight heat to recharge the battery of this device. And to support the solar panel, here's the solar bracket. And for easy installation, a screw guide sticker is included, most especially in making screw hole on the concrete wall. And then a camera bracket, which it has also a screw sticker guide. So installation by yourself isn't a problem anymore. All I can say, very easy to install and very easy to access the camera. And this extra micro USB cable, in case you wanted to place the device inside your home. And of course, the most important part is this WB300 3MP wireless outdoor battery security camera with 9,000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery that supports solar power energy. And if you're asking for the price of this ANNKE WB300, well, all I can say, this is very reasonable enough compared to all those surveillance camera you can see in an online shopping app. In case you're having problem on connecting the device and the app, then scan this QR code for a tutorial. And this is your ANNKE WB300 camera information, as well as the manufacturer info. In the camera, covered with rubber lid is where the SD card slot, reset hole button, and the power button is located. And because this device has two-way audio function, then the speaker is present. You may have a conversation with the person directly or activate the siren alarm function in case of emergency. On the front, the upper part is the camera lens. On both sides is the infrared light and the spotlight. Down of it is the PIR infrared, and a microphone as well, and the status light. And this is your micro USB power port. So how to connect this ANNKE WB300 camera into your Wi-Fi. Press and hold the power button till you will hear a beeping sound. So in the app, press the Add Device, then mark I heard the sound. Then press the next step and the model of the camera will appear. Then press the model of the camera and then select the Wi-Fi you're using at home. Then input the password and then press confirm. Wait till you will hear that it is successfully connected.
Connection succeeded.
And that's it. You're ready to install anywhere in your home. So how easy was that? And in case you purchase multiple ANNKE WB300 surveillance camera and placed in different location, then name each of it for an easy access of each camera. One more thing, make it sure that you need to place this ANNKE WB300 camera within the reach of your Wi-Fi router so that you will not be having any trouble accessing the live footage of camera into your smartphone. The good thing also with this ANNKE WB300 is that this is supported by Alexa function. Well, if you have enough budget, then you may avail the storage plan, which, for me, the secured way to store the footage in case of emergency, and can use more upgraded features rather than using the micro SD card, which, in instances that the micro SD card is lost, then the save video can't and no longer be retrieved. Just a reminder, place this solar panel in the area where the best spot for sunlight. At the same time, it is within the reach of the Wi-Fi for better connection of the ANNKE WB300 camera. So this is an overview of the app as well as a sample video footage, and to determine if this can capture a 2K HD video footage. In this area, you will know the status of the Wi-Fi and the battery. And this is the app looks like on portrait mode. Then it has two buttons on the video screen. In case of emergency, you can take a picture or save the video directly into your smartphone. And down of it is the buttons for the camera, either upward or downward, and both sideways. And then the home button, the library, which serves as your video storage, and the user info at the same time as your settings. And when you're in a landscape mode, try to tap the screen to appear all the buttons. Make it sure that the camera is positioned facing the ground in a 10 or 15 degrees angles so that the PIR, or passive infrared sensor, will work properly. But if your house is a two-story style, then placing the camera beyond 2 meters, then the sensor will not accurately work. This button is for pan and tilt the camera, and move into left and right. Just be reminded that even if the sensor detected a humanoid form, the camera will not track the movement, so you need to do it manually. So in an emergency situation, and you wanted to record a video and be saved directly into your phone, then press this icon. So now you're on the status of recording a video, and if you want it to stop, then press that icon again. And down of that video icon is the shutter button for taking photo. It's the same. All photos will be directly saved into your smartphone. As you can see, those videos and photos recorded and captured manually will automatically save on your phone gallery. Just a reminder, the camera will automatically start recording if it detected any motion or human within the parameter of the sensor. The camera will not follow the human movement. Rotating the camera can be done only manually. So in that case, if the sensor will not detect any motion or human, it will automatically stop the recording. In this section, the alarm settings like siren alarm and flashlight alarm can be automatically turned on. But since I am living in an adjacent neighbors, then I think it's improper to turn it automatically. Just turn on this manually in the most needed situation or emergency cases. And check this out in a nighttime scenario. Let me know your feedback. Please type your comments below. But in my own opinion, both daytime and nighttime scenario, the footage is highly acceptable. And this is how the video looks like when the light is turned on. And that's it. If you reached till in this video, then thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know also your feedback about this ANNKE WB300 wireless outdoor battery security camera. Don't forget to visit their website for further information. See you on my next video.